Hi, my name is Baron, founder of ARway. Today I'll be walking you through the ARway Creator Portal and how you can start creating location pins and guided tours. Let's start with the dashboard. First, you want to head over to a map you might have already created. In this case, I'm going to be using a map that we recently used in an airport. I've already laid a floor plan on top of this map, and as you can see, there is an existing guided tour placed onto it. Now, what I can start to do from this map is simply add a location pin. I simply click on the location pin button. I have a prompt just to show how it works. And from there, I can very simply just click on each destination that I want to label as a separate location pin. So I'll start with this security checkpoint. I can add a name, description, and also change the color of each location pin. Now I can go on to add a guided tour. And a guided tour works very simply from firstly determining a starting point. And as you can see, you can just pinpoint and draw your path until you're destined and desired end location, and that would be your destination. So you can simply end the route, give that guided tour a name. In this case, it's going to be to the food court, and a description. So for this, it's just a simple welcome message. So a guided tour can save up to 2 times more time than just your standard 2D navigation using signage around. And from there, it's very straightforward. I've added now a location pin and a guided tour. And I can add as many guided tours and location pins as I'd want on my map. And there you go. That's how you create location pins and guided tours using the ARway Creator platform.